strong.
Hey guys, Lucian here, back for another video. Now hopefully this video is recorded and cuck out on me like last one did. Unknowingly, I had opened a box of like Midnight Hunt, but the entire audio and the video got corrupted by putting it into a file, so that's all gone. But today was able to get a booster box, a bundle box. But I did pull some pretty sweet cards from it too. If you guys are interested in any cards from this set, I will be putting them onto my eBay quite soon. A link to my eBay is down in the description. So there we go. We've got two boxes, one of the cards, and I still have no idea what this is. But you know what's oh, got a little story with some nice little flyer. I love all these that come through. I've so far saved like so many of them, like Strict Havens, Modern Horizons, and now this. I do also have the ones from D&D, but those are hung up on my wall. But do you know what's cool about the packaging in this is you can make into a mask. Like, I may actually do this on my stream, because I'm going to be streaming, well, the same day I actually upload this video, so Tuesday the 28th, so I'll be streaming. It's just going to be a just chatting stream, but I do have plans to actually do something while doing it, like, have people heard of like the Pokemon Nano Block kind of Lego things? I'll be doing some of those, and I might as well make that one on here too. But more importantly, let's get into the actual box. So we have our dice, which is this is a. I'm not very interested in the orange, but I do understand it is a glow in the dark dice. A little like how to play cards. Promo card that basically says I win the game if I have 13 cards in my hand. So he's interesting. And then packs. Now in my box I actually say I didn't pull a single borderless. I know, shocked. Actually, I don't even know where my scissors are. Oh, that's a bit annoying. Well, opening these up the old-fashioned way then. Also, inside Midnight Hunt, you get these like promotional card art series, which I think are really dope. Hey, more Dan Munford lands. If you guys don't know Dan Munford, my favorite artist of all time. He's my inspiration for doing my like artworks and designs. I haven't pulled this card yet. I'm still seeing cards I haven't pulled. Nice. Okay, will we get our first pack, rare or mythic, or do we get both? Oh, this card, I've got so many of these. Okay, we have ourselves our first rare. Is there a mythic behind? No, it's just a foiled rare. Rites of Harmony. Whenever a creature or enchantment enters the battlefield under your control this turn, draw a card. Flashback. That's actually kind of cool for a white and a green. So if I keep all my foils and my rares, actually no, I'll put all of them in there. And in there, the last card's a token. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I'm still seeing cards I haven't seen yet. There's still some showcase art that I don't have that I would like to have. Another Dan Munford land. Also, there's a lot of like really good generic cards in here. Like for example, this card. It's like Sign and Blood, but it costs one extra like cards mana. And also you got like these werewolf cards, which are also pretty cool. Okay, we have another rare. Now we have ourselves, oh, Flare of... Hang on guys. Okay, so sorry about that. My had a little box arrive. So yeah, rare, and then a nice little foil behind it. Which, if it's a target creature, gets +2/+2 at the end of the turn. If it's a human instead, it gains +3/+3 and gains indestructible. Then a little info card. You guys didn't see my reaction too. I had a good reaction to a card I really wanted to pull my little bundle in my first box. A bit too bright in here actually, which is kind of odd. Nope. There we go. Yeah, I just had to quickly sort the lights. That's much better. Okay, what do we get for our first mythic? What can we get for our first mythic? Another rare. A Gatekeeper, which is a really gorgeous looking like spirit art, and a zombie token. Yeah, I'm still really gutted that my box didn't come out how I wanted to. It's sad. Well, at least now I have like spares of cards. Oh, another Baneblade. And we have ourselves another rare. Old Stick Fingers. I did not pull him in my box, so yeah, more cards I haven't seen yet. And we have ourselves our foil. And another info card. Now halfway, now in the 4th pack. Yeah. I'm really happy that I'm now able to stream again. Like, I'm planning to stream Tuesdays and Thursdays. Because I just don't have much time. Eaten Alive. As 0 cost of this card, sack creature, or you pay 3 and a black. Exile target creature or planeswalker. There's also a white card in here. Well, it's 6 colors, 2 white. This spell costs 1 colorless less for each creature on the battlefield, which I think is amazing. Another rare, Visions of Ruin. And we have ourselves another rare. And a foil. Oh, wait, we got a land in here. A Charge of Deals. Adds 1 colors to your mana pool. 3 colors, 1 black, 1 white. Target player loses 1 life and you gain 1 life. That's, I don't know how I feel about that. That doesn't sound very useful. Oh god, that's a card I pulled. In my box I actually pulled, yeah, the green planeswalker I wanted. So that was a reaction you guys aren't going to see. So wait, or if I pull another one, that's even better. That way I have a reaction. Come on, Mythic. No, that's a rare. Come on, Mythic. That's a foil. last 2 packs. Come on, can we get a mythic? Can we pull ourselves a mythic? Oh, a foil. Is that a foil? That's a foil swamped Dan Munford land. Nice. So I'm only missing like a foil mountain, I think plains. Okay, sure. Okay, sure. And another one of the angels that has value. That's our first mythic. Arguably, no, I'm mythic got one because I already have, like, I think this is my third copy of this. Anything special? No, we have sun gold, which is it destroys a creature of toughness of 4 gray, so it kind of hurts my trees quite a lot. But we are going to foil. We're going to sleeve this mythic up in some nice white sleeves. There we go. I'll put you up there. And then we have a little nice wolf token. Okay, guys. Last pack. What can we get in our last pack? What is behind zombie trying to eat a jar of pickles? Fine. Dan Munford Plains. Nice. I am actually trying to get my trees all in these lands. All the Dan Munford ones. I'm actually quite close now. Come on, another mythic. Now, what's the bottom card? Info card. Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, there's still info. There's still another card underneath. So, mythic. Any planeswalker. Wolf. It's gonna be a foil of some sort. What do I really want to see? Do a foil borderless tree planeswalker? Hell yeah! Oh, okay. Okay, it's just mounted Dread Knight. Oh, game. Oh, cards. Oh, pack. Why do you deceive me? But in a bundle box, we did pull a mythic. It's not the mythic I was wanting, but any other like rares. If you guys want any like any of the lands or rares, then I will put them. I'll put them into my eBay. So if you want to get yourself some like Flawed lands, I will be keeping the like Dan Munford ones. I think all I pulled was Dan Munford, didn't I? See, only pulled Dan Munford lands. That's a land. That's a 4 land. That goes there. No, I did pull some more. Dan Munford. You're not Dan Munford. You're Dan Munford. Yeah, I only pulled 2 non-Dan Munford lands. So yeah, all my other like lands like this, I'm gonna probably pop on my eBay maybe. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed me kind of ranting, and also stay tuned for tonight when I open up some Nano Blocks. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.